Welcome to Numeric Tales. In today's video, we embark on a journey that's not only close to our hearts but crucial for your cardiovascular well-being. We're diving deep into the world of nutrition to explore 12 remarkable heart-healthy foods that can positively impact your heart's health. Your heart is at the center of your well-being, and the food choices you make play a significant role in maintaining its health. Whether you're proactively caring for your heart or seeking to make positive dietary changes, this video is your gateway to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Number 1. Oats. The heart's best friend. Let's kick things off with a breakfast superstar, oats. These whole grains are packed with soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Oats are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them as oatmeal, in smoothies, or even as a crunchy topping for yogurt. Start your day with a heart-healthy boost. Number 2. Fatty fish. Omega-3 powerhouses. Next up, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health. Incorporate fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week for a delicious and heart-boosting meal. Number 3. Leafy greens. The heart's green guardians. Now, let's talk about leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vibrant vegetables are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that promote heart health. Include more leafy greens in your salads, smoothies, or as sides to your meals. They're not just good for your heart, they're good for your overall well-being. Number 4. Berries. Nature's heart-protective gems. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are small but mighty when it comes to heart health. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Snack on berries, add them to your morning cereal, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. These little bursts of flavor are a heart-healthy delight. Number 5. Nuts. Heart-smart snacking. Let's talk about nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios in particular. They're a heart-smart snacking choice, thanks to their healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. A handful of nuts a day can go a long way in supporting heart health. Keep a stash at your desk or in your bag for a nutritious pick-me-up. Number 6. Whole grains. Heart-happy carbs. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are the heart's best friends in the carbohydrate category. They're rich in fiber and nutrients. Swap refined grains for whole grains in your diet to support heart health. Make the switch to whole grain pasta, rice, and bread for a heart-happy meal. Number 7. Avocado. Creamy heart protector. Avocado lovers, rejoice! This creamy fruit is not just delicious, it's also fantastic for your heart. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. Spread avocado on toast, add it to salads, or make a velvety guacamole. It's a tasty way to give your heart some love. Number 8. Tomatoes. Heart-boosting red gems. Tomatoes are more than just a colorful addition to your meals, they're heart-boosting red gems. They're packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Include tomatoes in your diet as sauces, salsas, or simply sliced in salads. They add flavor and a healthy punch to your meals. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Sweet heart-healthy indulgence. Yes, you read that right, dark chocolate can be a sweet indulgence that's also heart-healthy. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is rich in flavonoids. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a delightful treat. Opt for chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for the maximum heart benefits. Number 10. Beans. Fiber-packed heart allies. Beans, the magical fruit, they're not just good for your heart, but they're also a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. Incorporate beans into your diet with hearty soups, chili, or as a side dish. They're versatile, budget-friendly, and heart-healthy. Number 11. Olive oil. Liquid gold for heart health. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, and for a good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Use extra virgin olive oil as a flavorful dressing for salads or as a cooking oil for sautéing. It's a heart-healthy choice that elevates your culinary creations. Number 12. Pomegranates. Heart-boosting jewels. Last but not least, let's talk about pomegranates. These ruby red jewels are packed with antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins. Enjoy pomegranates as a juicy snack, add their seeds to salads, or savor them in fresh juice. They're a delightful way to support your heart. And there you have it, 12 heart-healthy foods that can help you maintain cardiovascular well-being. Remember, a heart-healthy diet is a tasty and nourishing choice. If you found this video informative and delicious, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe to our channel for more culinary and health inspiration.